Hi everybody, we are working on a little craft for fall right now, and I have this pumpkin. I don't like it. I painted it. I don't like it. So I think I am going to go ahead and try to cover it with this really pretty fabric I have, and we are going to see how this comes out. So I'm not going to explain what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is an easy craft. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, there you are. Very easy, very simple. I just kept it simple, and I think that's cute, and it's gonna work where I want it to. So the next project we're going to do is also a simple one. And I have this cutting board that I just went ahead and painted. It's just an old cutting board that I had. And I went ahead and painted it, and I'm actually going to decorate it with this apple fabric here that I have. I picked up from a yard sale for 50 cents, and it was a big piece of fabric, and I already made a kitchen curtain with it. So I have extra fabric, so I'm going to go ahead and make this and put this on here. I'm going to cut this out and put Mod Podge on it. This is another really simple project that I don't think I need to explain. Pretty self-explanatory, so I hope you enjoy this, and I hope it comes out good. I never know until it's done. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm just going to Mod Podge it on here and see what it looks like. right, here she is. She is not perfect, but I think she's cute and she's going to go perfectly where I want to put her. I did my apples all messy, but that's okay. It's a DIY, and I don't claim to be perfect. It's just something that I had in my head, and I figure I'd give it a shot. So when I go to fall decorate, we will see where I put this. Okay, I have one more craft that we're going to do, and this one's not hard at all. So we'll do that one. Okay, I've picked up this box from Goodwill the other day for probably about, I think, $1.25, and it had a corn sticker on the end of it. So I just took some of my fabric that I've been playing with and just Mod Podged it on there, and I put that on the other side. So I thought that was really cute. Now, I did go ahead and paint around it like that, but I want to kind of use the Waverly Antique Wax for this and see what we can do. And then I'm going to go ahead and probably put some sort of ribbon around it. And I want to apologize for the setup in here. I have this on an arm, and my arm, the arm is broken. So it's kind of a pain in the rear, but we're making it work. So let's go ahead and do this and see how it comes out. Okay, the arm totally gave out on me, and I lost the footage of the painting part, but you can see it right there. And now we're just gluing on the ribbon. So my apologies. This is why I don't record crafts very often, because I'm not very good at it. This is all I'm doing to this. I think it turned out really cute. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to put in it yet. If I decide to put flowers, I can do that because I have some styrofoam that I can cut down that'll fit in there and throw some flowers in there. But I haven't quite figured out what the use is going to be for it yet. So, yeah, I mean, I think it's cute, and it's going to go in my kitchen really well. I might put some napkins in there and maybe some paper cups, or I don't know yet. I haven't decided. That will be decided when I decorate for fall. My first video will be coming out September 2nd, and that is when we will start decorating for fall. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Very easy, simple DIYs. They're not perfect, but you know, they're cute. And that's good enough for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and a subscribe. I am so out of practice for crafting. It's not very often that I get to do it anymore. I do like to craft for the holidays, and so you may see more crafting. Very simple, easy. I like to keep it easy, and we'll see what happens in the future. But make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.